Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to increase or decrease the number of lines moved on a single mouse wheel scroll in Windows PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the settings. On the left side you will see here Bluetooth and devices, just click on it. Now just scroll down below, you will see here mouse, just click on it. Now here you can see one option, lines to scroll at a time. So by default you can see here lines to scroll at a time is 3, so you can increase or decrease depending upon your needs. So the maximum is the 100. So say the earlier one was 3, right? So now let me try to scroll once. So you can see here the distance moved is 3 times. So if I scroll up again, so it's a 3, so you can call it a 3 times also at a time. And now if I increase to say 20 and let me try to scroll once, you can see here it's stepping further than the earlier one. So let me scroll up again once. So you can see here, and if I try to decrease it to 1 and let me try to scroll downwards once, so you can see here the distance has decreased. So let me scroll up again. So you can see here, so you can increase or decrease here. So let me keep it on 3 again. And now if you're using a older Windows operating system like Windows 7 or older than that, then you can go to the additional mouse settings, and here you will get a mouse properties option which will be available in the older Windows operating system. And you can click on this wheel, and here you will see vertical scrolling and horizontal scrolling. So you can increase or decrease here also if you're not using the newer Windows operating system. And once your selection is done, you can click on apply and you can click on OK also. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily increase or decrease the number of lines moved on a single mouse wheel scroll in Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.